What's up, y'all? Dave Broom here. I am at Hammock Walk today. This is where they're building townhomes. This is a 55 plus community. They call them villas. They are townhomes, but these are townhomes in a prime location. We are in Nexton, right on Nexton Parkway here. Really close to the new pickleball place, close to Taco Boy down in Nexton. But this is, if you want to get in a 55 plus community for villas or townhomes, this is the place you want to check out to start. These are amazing townhomes here or villas, and I'm going to take you through the model. I'm going to take you through a couple right now, just show you what it looks like. It ranges from 285 almost all the way up to 400 if you put everything in them. But it is this is a place you definitely want to check out. So come with me. Let's go check out these houses. What's up, y'all? This is Dave Broom. I had to put my sunglasses on. It's getting a little sunny out here. Dave Broom, licensed realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. If this is your first time to my channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, exploring, eating, chilling, and definitely playing in Charleston, South Carolina, then tap that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you know when new videos are hitting the channel and you can come check them out. And to be honest with you, my team and I are getting more and more calls, texts, even emails now from people who are looking, they're sick of their state, they want to come down to the Charleston area and they want to get information. They plan a visit down here. We meet with them, take them around, and then they end up buying. So if that's you want to get more information about Charleston and the surrounding areas, you can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Texting is usually the best. You can shoot me a quick text, then we'll set up a time to call. I'll get as much information as possible, and we'll get you down here and get you looking around. But today, this is a really, really prime location, 55 plus community in Nexton area. I'm gonna walk through the model. I'm trying to get away from some of these noises, but I'm gonna walk through the model and we're gonna look at a couple of the homes around here as well. So come with me, let's go check them out. All right, there's some helicopters going over. There is the base close to us, but we're gonna work through it. This is the Palmetto. This is the model here, so it's kind of decked out. If you got everything in this model, it would be pushing 375, maybe even getting up to 400,000 because of everything in there. But let's go check out the model and see what these look like inside. Let's go. All right, as you first walk in here, you can see the nicely decorated here. This is the front bedroom right here. This can also turn into a flex room. But this looks like a master, and it's not even a master here. Really nice front bedroom. Closet here. All right, as we come through, here is a full bathroom right across the way here. Nicely decorated, a nice tile in here. Gorgeous sink here. Right behind here is a nice big coat closet here. So right away as you first come in, there is the guest bedroom and a bathroom right across the way. This is another nice big closet right off of the main area, double doors. But as you come in here, you can see the cabinetry, the counters, the lighting. This is decked out for sure. Nice living room area here. I don't see a TV though, but definitely need a TV. Watch all the sporting events right now. But here is so this is the living room area and kitchen area over here. And you come into the master suite right here. Spin it around here. Really nice use of space in here. This is a gigantic, looks like a California king. And it fits in here easily with two bigger nightstands, a big dresser here, and a chair in the corner. So this is definitely a nice use of space in here. Nice bathroom here, tile throughout. Nice walk-in shower here. Tile, the big tile, bigger tile here, then there's smaller tile on the ground, but it's tile throughout, you can see, and then there's a closet in there. I'll walk back in there. Double sinks. Very nice use of space here underneath the stairs with the closet, bigger closet area. And then we'll spin around and head upstairs. So downstairs, there's 2 bedrooms, one of them's being the master, and 2 bathrooms. And then that would be the garage over here. And then up the stairs. Little loft area here. That's into the attic. That's the attic area. You don't want to take a look at that, but full bathroom here. Little loft area, playing some chess here. And then swinging around. Nice, another nice big. So all 3 of there's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but all 3 bedrooms are huge in this area. So definitely a nice area, especially for the price. If you can get something for $400 and under in the Nexton area, that is an extremely, extremely good price. There is HOA fees in here. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but they do include a lot. There's a pickleball court coming in and that, but we will talk more about that. But this is the model. This is the Palmetto. This is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. I think, let me check the square footage when we go down. All right, just another couple things. The HOA is $220 per month. There's lawn care included. You get the pickleball court. There's a dog park, and there's only 184 homes going in here, which is a smaller community, which is nice. You're not going to get overcrowded in here. It's in a prime location. There's not going to be 500 homes in here. There's less than 200 homes, and this model that we just walked through is about 1,400 square feet. So 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,400 square feet, 400 or usually under, the agent was saying. So this is a really, really good price for this area, especially. So villa or townhome in the Nexton area, this was the model, around 1,400 square feet for this price is really, really good. Let's go look at a couple more that have a couple different layouts. Come with me, let's go. All right, we're gonna look at another Palmetto. This is an inner unit. The end units are about $6,000 more, so this is an inner unit. The price on this one is about $320,000. 1,400 square feet again. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, the 1-car garage. It's an artisan design collection. It's got the 42-inch cabinets, square mosaic backsplash, gray quartz countertops. It's got the black hardware plumbing and lighting accents. And it's got the back covered porch, 0 entry primary shower, and then it's the interior unit, like I said. So let's go check this out right now. Let's go. All right, so as you first walk in here, we're gonna turn left. This is a closet right here. Actually, this is the garage, sorry, not a closet. I'll show you the garage because we didn't look at the garage. Pretty nice. It's a 1-car garage, but it's definitely got some space in it. There's some storage over here as well. So there's some more storage, a pretty nice sized garage. So you could definitely put at least 1 car in there. Might be able to squeeze a car and a golf cart in here. But this is one of the bedrooms here. This is maybe the guest bedroom, you would call it, with a closet here. It does have the bathroom across the way here, a full bath. Decent size here. Closet, the full bathroom here. All right, that's gonna be a closet right here. There's nice closet space in here for sure. So this is a smaller, the food closet. Then there's another closet here. And then as you come in, this is the kitchen area, nice open kitchen area. Really nice tile on the back. Cabinets, the white countertops here. This is the living room area. And you got a nice little porch area here, the covered porch this one comes with for $320,000. This is a really nice space for sure. And then come over here. This is the master. Nice, very big room here. And come in, they're still doing some work on this, but this has the double sinks. They're still doing some work, tile work on the shower and that. I just want to show you. And then this is the closet here. It's a smaller walk-in closet, but it's still a walk-in closet. And then they're still just doing some tile over here. And then back out over here. I mean, the location for this one. Let's go up the stairs. And then the prices of this location, you can't even look at a house for this price in Nexton area. So you get this prime location, not many homes going in. Let me turn some lights on. All right, there's another big bedroom up here with the closet. So this is a big bedroom. This is almost as big as the master bedroom. Nice upstairs. Your bedroom, and then you have the bathroom out here. And then a little loft area here. So a full bathroom here. This is the attic again, but this is a full bathroom. So basically 3 separate sections of rooms, and everyone gets their own bathroom, which is really, really convenient for $320,000 this home. Real nice use of space. All right, and the last villa or townhome that we're looking at is another 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1-car garage. This is an N unit. It's $338,000. It comes with it's got the Coastal Collection for design collection. It's got the 42-inch white shaker cabinets, the aqua glass backsplash, stainless appliances. Hold on, there's a truck passing. Luxury primary bath with 0 entry shower and upgraded floor tile. And it's got the back covered porch. The interior unit's also 1,400 square feet. The end unit, a lot of people like that. A little bit more expensive than the other units, but this is a nice one. Let's go check this one out. All right, very similar to the last unit we went into, but it's got the 3 bedrooms, 3 baths again. And what I really want to stress is the size of these bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms are a bigger size. And then they have a nice closet, and they have a bathroom either in or close to it, which is a really, really nice feature. The full bathroom here. That's a closet again. So this one's laid out just like that. This is the food closet here. This is the double closet, the bigger closet. This one just has a little bit different decorations in that. It's the Coastal Collection. You can see the lamps in that are different. The lighting is different. All right, but a nice living room area. The flooring is a little different color. Let me come over here. So we can look at what collection you like, what decoration collection. All right, but as you walk in here, this is the master again, the nice big master bedroom. All these bedrooms are really big size. Then it has the bathroom. They're doing some work in here. They still have to do the tile on that. But just giving you a little lay of the land here. Another walk-in closet over here. I like to see these homes myself too and do these videos, because then if somebody's looking for a villa or a townhome, I know what these look like. I can match it up. So I like to do a lot of the boots on the ground work for you. This is really nice carpet here. This is the giant bedroom upstairs again. It has a closet there. Out back in the corner of the room. Really, really big bedrooms. And then it has the loft area and the full bathroom again. Price is $337,000. Just a really, really prime location for all of this. Go back in this bedroom. All right, if you'd like to hear more information about Hammock Walk, which is an amazing up and coming, I wouldn't even say up and coming, it's just a prime location for a 55 plus community with these townhomes or villas, they call them. Prime location. If you get a golf cart, you can make it down to Taco Boy, especially if you get a lithium golf cart, which we made the mistake of not getting lithium, and then we went lithium the next time, and they definitely are worth the money and they last, but that's a different topic. Prime location, townhome, under $400,000. Some of these, the other one was $320,000, this one is $340,000, the N unit. Lower HOA than a lot of places. In the HOA in the 200s is definitely cheaper than some of the 55 plus around here. So you're getting that. It's just really, really nice location. If you want to hear more information, feel free to reach out. Give me a call. Shoot me a text right now. I'll text you back. I'm not just saying that. I will text you back. We can get that call going. I will find out everything, all of your wants and needs. If this is something that could work for you, we will look at it. If not, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm big on not wasting time. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. If you want to talk about anything in the Summerville area, anything in Charleston area, it's amazing down here. We love living down here. Feel free to reach out. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Keep it real, y'all.